Hello, welcome to our channel. We are happy to share simple habits that can improve your life in powerful ways. Today's topic is something many people struggle with. Sleep. You go to bed, but your mind keeps working. Thoughts continue. Your body feels tired, yet your brain stays active. This is a common problem. Modern life creates constant stimulation. Screens, stress, fast pace. Your nervous system stays alert. This makes deep sleep harder. This is where a simple habit may help. A warm night drink. Let's explore why. Warm drinks create a calming effect. Your body begins to relax. Your breathing slows. Your system prepares for rest. One of the most common options is warm milk. Milk contains nutrients that support relaxation. It creates a gentle, calming response. Then comes honey. A small amount of honey provides mild support. It helps your body feel stable. Some people feel more relaxed after it. Another option is chamomile. This herbal drink is known for calming properties. It supports your nervous system. It helps reduce internal tension. Then comes nutmeg. Used in very small amounts, it may support relaxation. But here we must be careful. Too much is not safe. Moderation is critical. Now let's talk about timing. Best time is 30-60 minutes before sleep. Your body needs time to respond. Drinking too late may disturb your rest. Temperature also matters. Warm, not hot. Comfortable, not extreme. But here is the truth. No drink can fix sleep instantly. This is not a magic solution. Sleep depends on your entire routine. Light exposure, screen use, stress level. This drink is a support. A small habit. When combined with better lifestyle choices, real change begins. Your mind becomes calmer. Your body relaxes faster. Sleep becomes deeper. You wake up more refreshed. Because good sleep is not luck. It is built. Step by step. Night after night. Thank you for watching. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe. Your support helps us continue sharing useful content. Remember, your health is your greatest wealth. We will see you again in the next video. Sleep well, take care.